Okay, morning everyone. FX1 live traders here again. This is part 2 of our video. Okay, so cable is actually looking pretty bearish at the moment. I know we're expecting a break to the top side, but this is trading. You can't tell the markets what to do. You're just there for the ride, basically. So obviously we're coming down, and we're coming down to this trend line. Now, what I'm actually going to be looking to do, you can see here, I mean, it's really quite clear. There is a level of support just on these 1, 2, 3, 4 bars here. Now, maybe it'll break it, maybe it won't. You've obviously got another level of support here. So really, you don't want to be on this. You don't want to be in this trade before those are broken at all. There is a slight hint that this is going to go south. Actually, if you look here on the pivot, it comes down through the Asian session, breaks it, which it can tend to do, and then reverses and comes back up, and finds this level of resistance here. If I just move this, you can see that there. So obviously 1, 2, 3, and 4. So so this is actually acting as a level of support and resistance. Obviously comes down, breaks it, retests it, comes down, obviously a bit through, a bit there, just picking up this trend line here. But if you look at this bar here, it's actually showing you that it's come up to the pivots, it's found it as a level of resistance, it's been rejected, and that is quite a strong reversal bar there. So what we're looking for now is basically for this to break support here, break this trend line here, and then we're looking for a move down. Targets, well, I mean, as I said before, we're actually looking at this in a bull flag. You've got to be thinking this is going to be going north. You know, obviously all patterns don't always play out, but for a target, what we can do is get a trend line, if I can just find it, there, and if we join these lows, there, and there, you're going to be looking for a target somewhere down here. Now, ultimately, this isn't really how we trade at FX1 Live Traders. We are an instant messaging service, so we will enter the trades with you, we will stay with you during the course of the trade. We will obviously point out support and resistance levels, and basically we're here to help you. Our first target is 20 pips, and what we do want to be doing throughout the course of the week, each trading day, is banking that 20 pips. You know, 20 pips in the forex market, yes, it's not a lot, but it's what we do is we try and provide consistency, because what we found, certainly when I started trading, is that I lacked serious consistency. One day my account was up, one day it was down, it was all over the place. And really all you need as a trader is, apart from obviously discipline and good money management, is time in the markets, experience, and you've got to be aware of the figures that, you know, 92% of people who try trading actually fail. And the reason for this is simple. It's just because they blow their accounts up, and they've got poor money management, and basically they don't allow themselves enough time and experience in the market to be able to develop as traders. Hence, you know, why they quit. And as FX1 Live Traders, what we try and do is provide you with that experience and that time in the markets to be able to develop yourselves as traders. And like I say, you know, it's an instant messaging service, and we'll be there to help you. Anyway, as you can see, it has just broken that small level of support there and reversed. So we're just going to have to wait and see what happens here. Like I said, we do have 5 indicators, and they are pointing to a short at the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. We'll see how it develops, and we'll come back to you. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye bye.